Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne and thank you for coming back to this channel. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. So let's go straight to the video. So for today we are going to talk about how to treat your acne and according to the type of acne that you have. Okay? Yes. So apparently, like I said on my last video, we all have different types of acne. Yes. For example, for me, I have non-inflammatory acne. Yes, I have non-inflammatory acne. So most probably whiteheads and blackheads only. But on my chest, also the same thing. I have a little bit of blackheads here and there. But how to treat your acne? Yes, you can use medications from your dermatologist, or you can use over-the-counter medication. Yes, you can use over-the-counter medication according to what you're suffering from. So as for me, I use Garnier skincare. It's good, but yeah, it's not good for everyone. It's not advisable for everyone because you don't know, or according to your skin type, or if your skin is this fly according to your skin type, it will depend. There are those who have sensitive skin, those who have normal to dry skin, those who have combinations. For those who have oily skin, that is like over the T-zone. So for me, I think I'm not so sure about my skin type, but I think I am I think I am on the which side am I on? I am on the combination, I think, because sometimes I'm oily, sometimes I'm dry. So I think combination and sometimes I'm normal skin, so I don't know. So sometimes I will use okay, I don't know if also weather can affect the skin type, the type of skincare products that you're using. Like for me, when it's so sunny, I can't use the Garnier skincare products because it will really leaves my skin so sensitive that I get other breakouts. You understand? Like, let's say maybe two tiny rashes that appear on my face after using the products, which they are very good to other skin types, okay? But I think according to the weather, it also differs. Like let's say, for example, there are those during when the weather changes, your skin also changes. Like sometimes you're brighter, sometimes you're darker according to the weather changes. Like for me, when it is all cold and rainy all the time, I'm more brighter. But when it is all shiny and so sunny and all, my skin gets dark. So that's why it's very important when you go out, you wear a sunscreen. Always remember that. Well, when there's no sun outside, there's no need for wearing sunscreen. If it is for sun rays, so there's no need of wearing sunscreen lotions. For me, most of the time I don't. Yeah, I guess that's why my skin have issues. But let's start a family of wearing sunscreen all the time. Okay, for those who are not wearing sunscreen like me. Yes, so yes, so you can use Garnier. There are witch hazel. You can use witch hazel. You can use what is this called? Oh god, this name. Cetaphil. Yes, you can use Cetaphil. Just to mention just a few. Those are at least the most and common known type of skincare. But there are also high-end products. Those are the cheap type of products of skincare. But I once had this dermatologist say that all skincare products, they do the same thing. It's just the feel of it on your skin that differs. and the pricing and the name plus the brand. Okay, so you can use the cheap products. Let's not say cheap, over the counter. Let's use over the counter. Yes, over the counter skincare products. Mostly, most of them, they are cheap, but cheap is also expensive. So the best thing, and I will always say in my videos, what you eat, what you drink, how you sleep, and how you treat your body. That is, sleeping, drinking water, exercising, and minding your own business. Those things will keep you off from unhealthy skincare. Okay? Yes, most importantly, eating. Yes, eating. Eating will help you dramatically on your skin, and also drinking water and exercising. Yes, and keeping off stress. That is what I meant when I said mind your own business. Yes, you keep off stressful things that don't concern you. Be mindful of your own stuff. They are less dramatic, you know. So you can use those ones. You can use also home remedy skincare products. Like I said on my last video, I use egg white mask also. When I can't use the Garnier skincare products, I use yes, I use the egg white mask maybe once or twice a week, or maybe after let's say 2 weeks I'll use it once. Yes, I will. Maybe sometimes, not like always. Comparing to your skin, if you're the sensitive type of skins, you have to wait for like a month so that you won't cause more damage to your skin. So you'll have to wait for like a month, and then you do a scrub, or yes, mostly for the mask, for the peel off mask, you have to like wait for like a month, because your skin is so tender and so fragile to mechanical damage. That is the surrounding damage also. So and something that I wanted to say before we continue is that most of the things that we do to our face on the outside, these are mechanical things, like mechanical damage. Skincare products, exfoliation, all of those skincare products, like skincare care. Oh god, what's wrong with me today? All of those, they are mechanical factors that can also cause more damage to your skin. So don't be too harsh on your skin, don't be too rough on your skin. Be fragile with your skin, just like taking care of an egg, you know. These babies need to be taken care of. Your skins, they need to be taken care of very, very well. Yes, don't be too harsh on your skin. So also, when you're buying your skincare products, you have to be very careful on what they contain. They shouldn't contain like too much alcohol, though most of the skincare products use alcohol as preservatives. But you should be very, very careful on what you apply on your face, because you can be treating one thing and also causing another trouble or harm to your skin unknowingly, thinking that you're helping yourself, but you're not really causing, you're really not helping out, you know. So be very, very and really, really careful when you are buying your skincare products. They don't have to be expensive. You can just buy like 3 things: a moisturizer, a toner, a cleanser. Yeah, like those things. Not a must you have a scrub, but you can put in a scrub. Let's say you have a scrub, a cleanser, exfoliator, and a moisturizer. Those 4 things are very, like, the essentials of your skin, the essentials that you need to take care of your skin. Okay. And so when you're taking care of your skin, or after you have taken care of your skin, you have to remember that after you cleanse, you wash, you scrub, you do everything, remember that in each and every step that you do, always tone. There is a secret that I learned from another YouTuber, that after every step you tone. Okay, the reason to it is, when you tone, you make your face to be how will I say it? Toners help products to get into your skin more gently and easily. Like they open up your pores, they make your skin to be so soft that anything like the products can get into your skin. Okay, so after cleansing, tone. Washing, tone. Scrubbing, tone. After moisturizing, now you can apply all the other products that you want on your face. Okay, the rose water and everything. So always remember to tone. That is a secret that I'm sharing. My own secret. Yes, you have to always tone after every step of your skincare product, of your skincare. Why am I saying skincare product? After every skincare step, you have to tone to allow easy penetration of the other for the next product. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to comment down below how you take care of your skin and how or what you would like me to talk about next. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, share it with your friends also, please, and let's be a community that helps a sister out and a brother also, boy child. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, and have a good time wherever you are in the world. Always remember to stay safe and stay home. Bye.